from different states. Before being part of SGC, we were a bit insecure. But SGC provides us a secure environment, a homely feeling, which is
we recommend to Kashmiri students come here and gain your knowledge related to this profession. Here is best academic session and best teaching qualities, and plus यहाँ पे hostel facility बहुत अच्छी है. We are really
Saraswati Group of College Gurgaon is situated at Chandigarh Ludhiana National Road Highway and was established in 2004. Nursing Department offers MSc Nursing, BSc Nursing, Post Basic BSc Nursing, JNM General Nursing Midwifery, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and also Baba Farid University of Health Science Faridkot and Punjab Registration Council Mahalli.
Hello everyone, my name is Deechan. I belong to Lelata. I feel really proud to be a part of this prestigious institution and is one of the best institutes for gaining and imparting practical.
Ayurveda Medical College is one of the premier institutes of Punjab, affiliated to Gurdas Ayurveda University Hoshiarpur and approved by Central Council of Medicine and Ministry of Ayush Government of Punjab.
Hi, I'm Khushbu from Delhi NCR. So talking about SGC, it provides the courses that have a large exposure outside the world, plus that provide a great future. SGC provide you with the best to be the best.
Saraswati College of Pharmacy is a unique center of excellence at all levels of pharmaceutical education, offering B Pharmacy, D Pharmacy. B Pharmacy is affiliated Punjab Technical University of Jalandhar.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Zubair Nabi from Shopian, Kashmir. My group has given me a truly global educational experience with smart classes and plethora of career opportunities with a pollution-free environment.
Classrooms with the sitting capacity of 60 to 70 students are equipped with projection and sound system. With comfortable seating with attractive sessions are taken by the
I'm Akanksha from Himachal Pradesh. Apart from academics, SGC also offers a pool of opportunities to show our talent by participating in various inter-college and international workshops, seminars and conferences.
SGC provides the various games and support facilities such as cricket, badminton, volleyball and many more games to enhance the interest in college campus.
Hello friends, I'm Mimina Gurung from Nepal. SGC is a group with supportive faculty and well-experienced teachers who constantly support us in all aspects.
College possesses highly equipment advanced laboratories. The college also have well ventilators and special dissection halls, attached embalming rooms. The students performing the dissection in corridor in order to learn human anatomy.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Farhad from Kashmir. SGC has enabled me to identify my latent potential, to have a widened horizon, which is helping me to explore my capabilities to the fullest extent.
CCTV enables to catch the safety and security. SGC provides a special clean, comfortable area for canteen and cafeteria. Highly variety of delicious and hygienic food at affordable prices is being provided. SGC has separated hostel facilities.
Hello, I'm Kanish. SGC assure their students to get placed into worldwide super specialty hospitals.
पढ़ती हैं, मैं उनके विचार लेना चाहूँगी कॉलेज के बारे में। तो बेटा बताओ, क्या आपका नाम क्या है, कौन से कोर्स में पढ़ते हैं, और आपका जो हॉस्टल में स्टे करते हैं आप लोग, तो आपका उसके बारे में कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है?
मैम मेरा नाम आशा रशीद है, मैं BSc सेकेंड ईयर की स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं यहाँ हॉस्टल में स्टे करती हूँ। हॉस्टल में हम स्टे करते हैं, हमें जैसे लगता है कि हम अपने घर में, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती, यहाँ तक कि हम अपनी रिलीजन को फॉलो कर सकते हैं, हमें कोई बैड कमेंट्स नहीं आते हैं, तो वी फील सेफ एट हॉस्टल।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। तो अब हमारे साथ नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट है मिस्टर जुबेर। जुबेर, आप बताइए कि आपको यहाँ पे रहते हुए काफ़ी साल हो चुके हैं, तो आपका कॉलेज के बारे में कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है?
नजर जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई।